You want to write a book, right? You've got that brilliant idea, those characters buzzing in your head, a world just waiting to be built. But then reality hits. The formatting, the endless tweaks, the fear of that perfectly crafted manuscript turning into a pixelated mess on a reader's device. What if there was a tool that could banish all those headaches, leaving you free to do what you do best, right? For years, authors have wrestled with clunky word processors, arcane formatting rules, and the sheer frustration of trying to make their book look professional without spending a fortune on a designer. We've all been there, tweaking margins for hours only to have them jump around inexplicably, or battling with page breaks that seem to have a mind of their own. And don't even get me started on creating a table of contents. It's enough to make you want to throw your laptop across the room and give up on your publishing dreams altogether. But what if I told you there's a powerful, intuitive, and surprisingly affordable solution designed specifically for authors by authors that takes all the pain out of formatting and helps you produce stunning, professional-looking books in a fraction of the time? A tool that lets you focus on your story, not on the technicalities of publishing. That tool, my friends, is Atticus. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh, another software pitch, hear me out. Atticus isn't just another word processor. It's a comprehensive writing and formatting platform built from the ground up to address the unique needs of independent authors and small presses. Think of it as your all-in-one publishing Swiss Army knife. So why Atticus? Let's dive into the myriad reasons why this incredible software is quickly becoming the go-to choice for authors worldwide. First and foremost, Atticus simplifies the entire formatting process. This is huge. If you've ever tried to format a book for Kindle, Apple Books, or any other e-reader, you know it can be a nightmare of epic proportions. Atticus takes all that complexity and distills it into an incredibly user-friendly interface. With pre-designed templates that are both beautiful and customizable, you can achieve a professional look with just a few clicks. No more agonizing over obscure CSS codes or wrestling with outdated formatting guides. Atticus handles the heavy lifting, ensuring your book looks perfect on any device, whether it's an e-reader, a tablet, or a physical paperback. Speaking of physical paperbacks, Atticus isn't just for ebooks. It excels at print formatting too. Creating a print-ready PDF can be incredibly intimidating, but Atticus makes it surprisingly straightforward. You can easily set up trim sizes, adjust margins, and even design custom chapter headings and decorative elements. This means you can go from manuscript to a beautifully formatted print book without ever leaving the platform or needing to hire an expensive book designer. This alone can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. Beyond the stunning aesthetics, Atticus offers incredible versatility. Whether you're writing fiction, nonfiction, a cookbook, or even a children's book, Atticus has the features to support your project. Its flexible design allows for a wide range of layouts and styles, ensuring your book stands out from the crowd. You can customize fonts, colors, line spacing, and so much more, giving you complete creative control over the final look and feel of your masterpiece. One of Atticus's most powerful features is its real-time preview. As you make changes, you can instantly see how your book will look on various devices. This eliminates the guesswork and frustration of constant exporting and re-importing. Want to see how that new font looks on a Kindle Paperwhite? Just select it from the preview options. Curious about how your chapter headings will appear in print? It's right there, instantly updated. This real-time feedback loop is invaluable for refining your book's presentation and catching any errors before they go live. But Atticus isn't just about output. It's also a fantastic writing environment. While it might not replace your preferred long-form writing software entirely, it offers a clean, distraction-free writing interface that allows you to focus on your words. You can organize your chapters, add notes, and even track your progress within the platform. For those who prefer to do everything in one place, Atticus offers a seamless transition from writing to formatting. And let's not forget about the cost-effectiveness. Traditional formatting services can be incredibly expensive, often costing hundreds of dollars per book. With Atticus, you pay a one-time fee for a lifetime license. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. This makes it an incredibly attractive option for independent authors who are often working on a tight budget. The return on investment is almost immediate, especially if you plan to publish multiple books. Furthermore, Atticus is constantly being updated and improved. The team behind Atticus is dedicated to listening to author feedback and implementing new features that genuinely benefit the writing community. This commitment to continuous development means you're investing in a tool that will grow with your publishing career. You're not just buying software. You're joining a community that is passionate about empowering authors. Think about the time you'll save. Imagine not having to spend hours troubleshooting formatting issues or trying to decipher arcane publishing guidelines. All that time can be redirected back into what truly matters. Writing your next book, marketing your current one, or simply enjoying your newfound freedom. Time is money, and Atticus saves you both. So, if you're an author who's tired of the formatting struggle, if you want to produce professional-looking books without breaking the bank, and if you dream of a more streamlined and enjoyable publishing process, then Atticus is absolutely worth exploring. It's a game-changer for indie authors, empowering you to take control of your publishing journey and present your stories to the world exactly as you envision them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.